I am not worried that Wall Street firms and big banks are going to figure out how to adopt the latest fintech, like today is blockchain. I'm not worried about them figuring out how to do that. What I'm more concerned about are smaller organizations or not-for-profits or other organizations that fill critical needs in society, and they're like business type organizations, fill critical needs in society that may not have the access. So I think that's the big opportunity, because a lot of businesses won't look at a small market or an opportunity or not-for-profit opportunity, but I do think that's just as important for us in the context of society. So I think that's the untapped. So I think we look at Georgetown, we're looking at the ability for our students to go to Wall Street and to go to the not-for-profit, to figure out a solution that's an application for a homeless shelter versus also a big bank. So I do think that and I think the business does not focus on those other opportunities as much, and I think they're huge opportunities because those turn into markets. And the other critical thing there is the more people we can get into the system, the financial system, the better it is for everybody. So financial inclusion, which will be done by smaller organizations, is a rising tide that floats all boats. I think collaboration across the interagency collaboration, the industry, the collaboration of business and policymakers or industry and policymakers is critical. I see the same thing happening in universities. So at Georgetown, we have a great medical school, a great law school, a great business school, and great school of public policy, among other schools. The work, the technology seems to be what's drawing us together. So now we find out there's a blockchain initiative over in the law school, and there's one in the business school, and there's one in the school of public policy, because they're all different applications. Wow, we really have a much bigger footprint than, say, in blockchain. So I see collaboration across different areas of academia, Georgetown especially, but I think it's happening everywhere, drawn by the same thing, the same common denominator, more than I've ever seen before. And universities by nature tend to be siloed. They're just, people are very busy, focused on their students and their classroom and research and things like that. And it takes something like this to kind of bring everyone together. And I see that more now than I've ever seen it before.